Hi guys, this is the fourth question collaboration where we'll be updating this readme from our GitHub. Then we'll create this directory from the root. Then we add this. So let's first go to our GitHub and update the readme file. So here is the GitHub. Oh, sorry. Let me go to the GitHub. So let me go to the GitHub. So this is the file we have in our GitHub. So we are asked to enter this directory and update this readme file. So I can just do like this, edit it, just say updated. I just want to see a change, and then commit. So if you just leave it, it will just add that default message for you. Without, if you didn't type, it will just put this default update readme file. So I'll commit. You see, so I've edited this. So I'll go back to my directory, and you see the default commit message update readme file 11 seconds ago. So what we are asked to do now is to go to our terminal. cd, make sure you are in your root folder, then you cd into this directory, then we cd into, okay, so what we have to do now, we'll pull the changes we make from GitHub. We'll just say git pull. You see, it has put two files, and changes from the GitHub. So now the next question is, we have to create this file at the root of directory, which is this directory. So let's cd into this directory, ox01 git. So we'll say make directory, so let me list. We've just created this directory up to date. So they say we should write so we say you should create this file at the root of the directory, and you need to write the commit line use. Sorry, I should have make it easier. Just do like this, echo I'll just do make directory update. Sorry, make directory up to date. I will do like this, up to date. This would have been easier, but I misread the command. So let me just I'll remove it. Please, you can ignore this line. Remove directory up up to date. So it has been removed. If I do ls, it's no longer there, so I will recreate it using this echo because it is much more easier. So it has been created. Let me do ls. We have up to date file now, so we are asked to push, and we should use this commit message and push it to the origin. So we now do git add. Please make sure you put the dots, then git commit the message, commit message, control AV to paste, and quotation. So now I'll say git push. So it's still asking me for this password. I don't know. This is the git. So I think you should remove this from your own so that you stop asking you for password like mine. But it's good, it's doing that to me now so that you shouldn't experience the type of, so you might try it for the first time error, because don't be bothered. Once you are pasting for the password, it won't show you what you paste. Just make sure you paste and try. So you press Ctrl AV and enter. So it's not going. You can still retry. Ctrl AV and press enter. So it's nothing new. If you try for the first time, it's not working, don't be bothered about it at all. So Ctrl AV to paste and enter. So you won't see what you are typing, because that's why they call it password. So authentication fail. I could still retry. Do Ctrl AV. Sometimes if network is not good, it will tell you that error. So I've pushed to master and I've just completed this task. You just come here and refresh. You see the updated folder, and this is the commit message I put. Please, if you like this, kindly subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. If you have any question or anything you want me to work on, to make video on, please kindly comment, put it in the comment section. I'll follow it. So I'll also put the links to the previous video so that you can easily navigate. Thank you.